Thank you for checking out my listing for a Griswold cast iron skillet number 3 with a large block logo on the back, made in Erie, PA, USA, model number 709A. This was made in approximately the 30s or the 40s. It was acquired in an antique mall for a very good price, so I could give you guys a decent price on this. This has been stripped down to the rare metal, and it has been thoroughly washed with mild dish detergent Dawn, a scouring pad purchased at the hardware store to smooth out the rough parts of the pan, and there was no rust on this pan. And after it was thoroughly washed, dried, and so forth, it was seasoned 4 times in the oven using Crisco vegetable shortening for even application. And here it is, and the back with the large logo that appeals to collectors. But this is a good cooking skillet. Not sure why you're purchasing. You might be gifting it, using it for your own cookware, or just adding it to your collection just to look at. So it is, depending on the light, it's dark brown, it's starting to blacken up. It'll take a little bit of time for that to happen. But it is a great pan. It's flat, 6 inches cooking surface, and it sits flat on the cooktop, and like so. And it is not a spinner, so if you push the handle, it will not spin around. That's the best way you can tell. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this up and show you how I'm going to cook an egg in this for the very first time. We're going to test it out. And this is the skillet you would be purchasing. I will be right back. Okay, we're ready to test out the skillet. This is a cooking demonstration. I'm just going to put on some Crisco olive oil cooking spray. Very low calorie. Going to crack the egg like so. And go ahead and put it in the skillet here. And let it go ahead. And start cooking here. Let it set up and see how it does. And you can already see how this is very non-stick. You do need heat. 3 minutes in here. A little bit of oil or cooking spray or butter or whatever you fancy. And here this is. Now once I'm done cooking the egg, I will wash it with hot water while the pan is still hot, no soap, and thoroughly dry it, and give it a quick seasoning with Crisco vegetable shortening over the stove top before it's shipped out to you, the purchaser. So we're just letting this cook up for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pause it again, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back again. We're going to go ahead and get this ready to flip. And I don't make fried eggs often. I really don't like them. But they say this is the true test. And my larger skillets, my number 5 and number 6, I like to use them to make an omelet. But we're going to go ahead and flip it on over. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. So yes, this pan works just fantastic. It is a great condition. And I'm going to let it cook up for a little bit. And slide it out so you can see it slide out. And I'll be right back when it's ready to go. Okay, we are back. And now the handle has gotten a little warm. So you want to caution you to put on a handle gripper. And look at that. Right out of the pan. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pan. So that's what you would be purchasing. This is a skillet all cleaned up and washed with hot water, no soap, thoroughly dried, and mini re-seasoning over the stove with Crisco vegetable shortening to get it to continue to season. This is what they mean by seasoning through each use. But this is the skillet you will be getting. Griswold cast iron skillet number 3, large block logo, produced in Erie, PA, USA, model 709A. This is it. Again, thanks for looking.